Skylar, what are we doing today?
We're making a tornado.
Whoa, what do the kids need?
They need 2 soda bottles. And if they want to make a colorful tornado, they just need food coloring.
Nice, and we added 3 cups of water.
Yeah.
All right, turn it around. Let's see if we can make a tornado.
Wait, I think we have to shake it first.
Oh, okay. You want to shake it first?
You shake it.
Shake it.
Yeah.
And turn around and shake it like this.
Is it working?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. What do you think?
I think it's working.
We need to shake it some more. There it is! Whoa!
It is a tornado! Look, it's spinning.
That was so cool.
Let's do it again.
All right, go ahead. Look at that!
Whoa! It's a tornado!
Whoa!
Whoa, the tornado's gonna stop. Oh, it stopped. Okay, let's do it again.
You think the kids are gonna like doing this?
Yeah.
Whoa!
How big it is. Whoa, it's getting smaller and smaller.
This is so much fun.
Yeah.
All right, what do you want to tell your fans?
Fans, do you want to do this? Let's do it. Do you want to watch this one more time? If you want to watch this again, press the replay button.
Perfect.